All right, we're on our next 4-ball pattern, everyone. We work backwards so that we ensure we can figure out the correct way to get there, everyone. 4-ball. 2-ball will be gone, but for now, we'll plan on being over here for the 4-ball. For the 4-ball, it goes in that corner pocket right here. To get to the 4-ball from the 3-ball, 3-ball is a hanger in the side pocket. So if we can get anywhere in this area, we can just hit that and float out around where the 2 is, everyone. All right, to get to the 2-ball, to get to the 3-ball from the 2-ball, we need an angle. So let's put it about right there. We'll hit this with top left. We'll come over here. If we get enough spin, we'll come there. If we don't quite get enough spin, we'll come here, and then over. All right, to get to the 2-ball from the 1-ball, pretty much the same thing, everyone. We need an angle. If we come this way, over here, the 4 is in the way, so we need to look over on this side. If we come this side, we'll hit here with top right, hit here, bounce over, and if we come off the rail, so on and so forth. All right, everyone, that's my solution. Let's sticker this up and get to it. In this layout, the easiest way to ensure our angle on the 2-ball is by using top spin with running English when we shoot the 1-ball. This will send the cue ball 2 rails toward the middle of the bottom side rail. From here, we can use the same type of shot to end up on the bottom side rail for the 3-ball. Now it's just a matter of rolling the 3-ball into the side pocket with a soft stroke. The 1-ball is going to be hit with top right, and it's going to allow the cue ball to hit the end rail, and side rail. The 2-ball is going to be hit with top left. It's going to allow the cue ball to hit the end rail, and side rail. And then the 3-ball is going to allow the cue ball to hit the end rail and bounce out. All right, everyone, you know the solution. Sticker this up and get to it.